Objective of the presentation is really to share few thoughts on the connect between energy, environment and efficiency. Talk about our country perspective. Share few thoughts on the alternate technologies. Many of you will be knowing several of them, but the question of utilization of the technologies. Then to try and talk about which are all the other renewable RE-driven technologies that one could think of using. Then, of course, design optimization. That's a different perspective we want to bring to the subject. Okay, very quickly, when you try to talk about, we all know energy generation is a very, very resource-intensive process. But if you try to do from first principles, the amount of coal that you're going to use through to the end use in terms of the, let us say, an air conditioner, you'll see the source-to-site factor is 1:0.17. The details will be available through presentation, so I'll skip through these slides fast. Now, the coal requirement is known to everybody, but what is probably not known to everybody is that to generate 1 unit of thermal electricity, we require about 145 liters of water. That's why all thermal power stations are near riverbeds, and to generate 1 unit of power, you require about 210 liters of water if it is an atomic power. So that's the reason why atomic power stations are always near seas. Okay, just about refrigerants. We all know refrigerants are, not really environment friendly. They have ODPs and the GWPs. And we all have taken it as granted that we need air conditioning. But what we don't realize is air conditioners do tend to take about 15% of the total global energy for its usage. I mean, just to get a comparison, we know that leakage of refrigerants into atmosphere does cause both ozone depletion and global warming in different ratios as per the refrigerants. For a comparison, I put a chart. If you're talking about a 2-liter engine automobile, the amount, if it does about 30,000 kilometers, the pollution is going to do the same as 1 kg of refrigerant. Okay, now when you try to talk of air conditioning, we all tend to get a little carried away by standards. In India, we do not have standards, so we tend to talk about ASHRAE 55 or ISO 7730, which tends to talk of a particular standard, saying that maintain 22 to 25 for summer and 20.5 to 24 for winter. So because of that, we tend to sort of overcool a place. But when you try to talk of standards, we should not forget that American standards are designed for that country, and it can't be that one size fits all for everybody across the world. We needed to have Indian standards. Unfortunately, we do not have. I mean, this is for air conditioning, but similarly, when you try to talk of any of the air aspirating machines, gas turbines, compressors, the rating standards are 15 degrees C. I mean, we don't get 15 degrees C anywhere in India except near Himalayas.